Financial health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, even more so for active members of the military. Balancing service duties with personal financial obligations can sometimes lead to mounting debts. In such cases, debt settlement might seem an appealing solution. While active military members can indeed consider debt settlement, there are essential considerations to keep in mind, primarily the importance of obtaining the approval of your commanding officer. Understanding debt settlement. Debt settlement involves negotiating with creditors to pay back a portion of your total debt, effectively allowing you to clear your debt for less than you owe. While this can provide much-needed relief from heavy debt burdens, it's important to recognize that it can impact your credit score and may have other repercussions. This makes it all the more crucial to approach debt settlement with complete awareness and necessary approvals, especially for those serving in the military. The crucial step: commanding officer approval. Active military personnel bear the responsibility of not only their duty to the nation but also maintaining the high standards and rules of their respective military branches. If you're considering debt settlement, it's advisable, and often required, to reach out to your commanding officer or a designated authority. Discussing your financial situation and intentions with them can ensure you're not breaching any service policies and that your steps towards debt settlement align with the rules of your service branch. Seeking approval from your commanding officer isn't just a formality. It serves multiple important purposes. It ensures transparency, maintains the chain of command, and most importantly, it opens up opportunities for guidance. Your commanding officer or financial counselors in your service branch may provide advice, suggest alternative options, or guide you towards resources specifically designed to assist military members facing financial challenges. Being an active military member doesn't exclude you from seeking debt settlement as a path towards financial relief. However, communication and approval within your chain of command are crucial steps in this process. While facing mounting debts can be stressful, remember that there are numerous resources and support systems available within the military community. Debt settlement is just one of the many options, and your commanding officer or a military financial counselor can help you understand the best course of action for your unique circumstances, ensuring that your path to financial freedom aligns with your commitment to military service. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Here's to taking the first step towards your financial freedom, right here, right now, with us.